What? A new lens, bro. Look how wide this is, bro. I've never had a lens this wide. That's why I'm so like amazed. Now I don't have to have the camera like far as hell. I used to hold the camera out like this. Now I can just be like, yo, what's up, y'all? Title already explains it. They were doing a back day. I'm gonna show y'all how to build up a superhero back. Just basically some good back workouts so y'all can do it. Let's get this pre-made and let's fucking go, man. I'm out of here. You got new shit. Oh my gosh, bro, that's like futuristic, no? I'm about to use this for my cardio today, bro. I like to do pull-ups before any like actual weighted exercise just because you're using body weight, bro. Can't even fucking breathe. Probably my favorite back builder, Tbow rows, bro. This will build up the thickness of your back so good, bro. If you don't have a Tbow row at your gym, you can just do standard barbell rows, but if you can do Tbow rows, bro, do it. On another note, we just got sponsored by Define. Shout out Define. Is my mic even on? Y'all can't even hear me. Bro, I open up TikTok. I see Sam Sulik follow the young nigga. Come on. For this next lift, we're doing one arm lat pull down with the bench to support the chest. Oh, how the fuck did my phone get on the turf? This one of them workouts you don't really need to like go too heavy up. Chest out, shoulders back, elbows to your waist. Got it. Alright, for this next workout, we literally just have seated rows. Super self-explanatory, just sit and row it back. We gotta be delusional, bro. I feel like you only get opportunity when you're delusional. Like, there's like 20 of y'all watching probably, but like, I feel like I'm so delusional. It's like a million of y'all watching. That's how delusional you gotta be. Believing in yourself to the point where like it damn near feels like you're crazy. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't know, bro. I see it like this. All the people who are doing it were crazy, right? Crazy at one point. You feel me? So like if you and I are just as crazy, who knows how far we could go, bro? If you have an idea in your head, just do it, bro. Like literally just go for it. Just do it. If you want to make a cool ass edit, even if you don't got a camera, just pick up your phone, right? If you don't got a phone, fuck, bro, I don't know. Pick up a webcam, bro. I don't know, bro. Just do it, though. Holy shit, that shit is tiring. But no, bro, just believe in yourself. Believe in those around you. Just to know that whatever might seem impossible isn't actually impossible. That's just your mind telling you it's impossible. That's really it for the back shit. I usually just finish off my my stuff with biceps. I like to do curls and hammer curls, and on arm days, I'll do a preacher curl. That's really it for the workout side of things. Try this workout, bro. I'm telling you, the back shit actually like stuff I started kind of doing recently, some of these workouts, and it's just been crazy, bro. It's really makes me feel like I'm growing again. I'm about to go flex for the camera now. All right, y'all. And guys, in honor of Sam following me on TikTok, I just finally started doing cardio again, bro. So today we are on the bike. Probably gonna do like 30 minutes of this. I don't know how to use this yet. I'm just cycling, but actually I think we should, whatever, I'll figure it out.